Mimi ni mzabibu, ati nyuma yangu kuna wakulima, wengine wote ni Wamasai, wengine ni mafuta, tuseme ni za nini? Hallelujah, Jacob Sanger Farm. I am happy because there's a time I came here in December, cried over this tree that we did pruning. And it is 5 months now, and look at it. It looks nice, right? Now, as I said, we do not encourage the cutting down of trees, but we said when it is pruning so that you get better yields, we support you.
Sometimes we go through tough times in this life, like this tree, and it looked some 5 months ago, it looks like it is the end of it. Why? Because we had pruned the tree, because it was not giving us, in fact, it was not giving us fruit as it had used to give us more fruits before. So the quality and the quantity of the fruit reduce with time. So we had to prune it so that it can give us, it can start afresh and then give us more tree. So the same to you. Sometimes we go through problems and you wonder, because you are stuck, you wonder, would you rise again? This is a testimony that you can rise again. So this is Fuete avocado tree. We pruned it 5 months ago, and now it has started taking shape. So what we are going to do with this tree, because it has, you can see the cuts where we did the cuts, and then that was 5 months ago, but it has started growing again. So we are going to prune it more so that we may remain with maybe 2 major stems, all 1 major stem, according to how we'll see the shape of the tree. And so that in December this year, 2024, we know it will start fruiting. Imagine you prune a tree and in 1 year's time, it starts producing fruits again. So we are expecting in 1 year to come or 2 years to come, the production to be as much as possible and the quality of the tree to be as much as possible. So anytime you have a tree which is not producing, don't feel guilty when cutting it down or when trimming it. So you need to do it so that it can regain strength to come up again and with good quality fruits.
The episode was all about taking risks. We are ever afraid of taking risks, but you take a risk in your life and you get to explore and have more potential. Now, for Jay Kusenga, we took a risk, cut down 7 good trees, flowering but not flowering enough. And after the risk, this is what we are getting. In December, as my comrade has said, we shall be harvesting and we shall be expecting you to come and get avocados from us. From Jay Kusenga, this is an episode of Taking Risks.